Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best action cameras that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the GoPro HERO8 Black Bundle. This action camera includes LCD screens. It is equipped with dual mounts which assist in the capturing of videos and photos. This unit features the video capture resolution of 4K UHD 2160p. The streamlined design of this model adds to the ultra pocketability. Because of the streamlined design, you earn the opportunity for swapping the mounts in no time. Hyper Smooth 2.0 happens to be another vital aspect of this unit, which functions with different frame rates and resolutions. It is equipped with Time Warp 2.0 feature, which aids in capturing super stabilized time-lapse videos as you try to move via the activity. The live burst helps record the moments about 1.5 seconds after and before the shot. The pocket-sized extension pole, along with the ready-made tripod, is considered to be an excellent option for the capturing of on-the-go and travel activities. You can strap the head strap to the helmet for taking those POV shots. The presence of 32GB SD cards is ideal in conferring faster write speed. The Hyper Smooth 2.0 imparts the widest views possible. The Time Warp 2.0 plays an integral role in the capturing of super stabilized time-lapse videos as you try to move via the activity. Other crucial aspects of this model are spare rechargeable battery, mounting buckle, thumb screw, curved adhesive mount, USB-C cable, HERO8 Black mods. Moving on at number 4, we have the Insta361R Sports Video Adaptive Action Camera. This action camera has a video resolution of 4K. With the aid of the Jump Planet Shot Lab, it is possible to produce a series of the Tiny Planet transitions. The stop-motion animation is ideal for the movies. The time flips are recognized to be head turner of the shot, whereas the rolling planet lets you take a walk in a circle around the product for the shoot. It is inclusive of Starlapse mode, which is ideal in bringing an adjustment in the exposure settings for the capture of sweeping and brilliant time-lapse. The AI-powered tracking algorithm of this model is considered to be an excellent choice for keeping it locked within the center frame. Users can capture slow motion at 1080p wide-angle footage or 3K 100 FPS. You can make use of AI-powered flashcut for finding and editing the best shots. Apart from this, the dual-lens 360 mod aids in raising the bar with the aid of the 5.7L resolution. 1R also provides prerequisite support for the HDR capture for the videos and photos. The night shot is useful in capturing the photos in low light conditions. The Color Plus is useful in color grading the footage automatically. The flow state is effective in achieving the gimbal-like stabilization due to the new scene detection algorithm. This unit is loved by the end users due to the 4K 60 FPS wide-angle shooter. At number 3, we have the AKASO Brave 7La 4K 30fp action camera. With a dual 2-inch color touchscreen, you can change the frame or monitor the views in between the rear and front of this beautiful action camera from AKASO. The front screen is perfect for the selfies, and the back screen makes it easier to control the settings. It can imprison 4K videos at 30 FPS to record every adventure with no missing of the details. This action camera is composed of 6-axis electronic image stabilization to boost the fluency and stability of the recording. It comes with IPX7 water-resistant properties to protect the gadget from the snow, rain, and sudden water splashes. You can even capture underwater photos up to 40-meter depth due to its waterproof casing. This camera comes with 20 MP sensors that can capture your happy moments with no failure. The 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection provides a remote control feature by connecting it to your smartphone to keep your hands free while clicking. The two powerful 1350 mAh batteries extend the recording time with no worries. At number 2, we have the Dragon Touch 4K action camera. It is one of the best action cameras from Dragon Touch with an intuitive 2 inches IMP display touchscreen. The screen helps to operate this device easily and is exceptionally handy to shoot. It features professional and 4K videos at 30 fps and photos at 16 MP resolutions. The camera also comes with a support of 4x zoom to make your subject closer, without actually getting near to them. The 16 MP sensors deliver steady videos and stunning smooth photos with no hitch. It comes with a wide angle of 70 degrees, 110 degrees, 140 degrees, 170 degrees to decide the narrow and expansive field view. You can use this action camera up to 100 feet of water depth to explore the outstanding scenery underwater, making it ideal for snorkeling, swimming, diving, and surfing. With inbuilt electric image stabilization and 2.4 GHz, the wireless remote control gives freedom to your hand with no restriction of the distance and captures your happy moment perfectly. It comes with numerous action modes like driving, image rotating function, and loop recording. The user can also mount it like a dashcam in their vehicle. You can transfer all your videos and photos to a smartphone or share them directly to your social media accounts by connecting it through an app called XDV. And finally at number 1, we have the Sony RX02 1-inch, 1.0 type, sensor ultra compact camera. This action camera is winning hearts with the 180 degrees tiltable LCD screen. This 15.3 MP camera contributes to being the ideal option for shooting images of premium quality. The 1.0 type back-illuminated stacked XMOR RS CMOS sensor along with the BIONZX image processor helps to confer sharper images along with stunning 4K videos. Moreover, it offers a burst speed of 16 fps. It is equipped with the 24mm 1f4 Zeiss Tessar T lens, which is useful in conferring high-resolution images in the peripheral areas with the reduced image distortion. It contributes to being an excellent choice for recording 4K, 3840 x 2160, 24p, 30p internal movies. The extra-rigid duralumin body, as well as ultra-compact dimensions, is believed to be the best option for capturing stunning shots in the toughest conditions. It provides the privilege for shooting slow-motion videos at 120 fps in HD along with the sound. It is equipped with advanced video features along with mic in the jack. Due to versatility, you can have the freedom for using the product in different creative ways. Other worth mentioning attributes of this unit are wireless multi-control function, interval recording for the time-lapse videos. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.